Next question number third and fifth part. Given d is equal to 5, s9 is equal to 75, find a and a9. Now d is equal to 5, this value is given to us. S9, sum of first 9 terms of an AP is 75. Find a and a9. A and a9, these two values we want to find out. Now here S9, again n is equal to 9 and value of sum of 9 terms of an AP. And what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now S9 is equal to 9 by 2. 2 into a is not given to us, plus 9 minus 1 and d is equal to 5. What is the value of S9? 75. 75 is equal to 9 by 2. 2a plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 5 ja 40. 75 is equal to 9 divided by 2. 2 is common. A plus 20. 2 cancel out. So a plus 20 is equal to 75 into 1 upon 9. 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. A is equal to 25 divided by 3 minus 20. And when we take 3 LCM, 25 minus 60, 25 minus 30, and after subtraction value will be equal to 25, 35 divided by 3. So A is equal to minus 35 divided by 3. This is the value of A. Next, A9 we want to find out. So A9, what is our general term formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and we want to find out A9. So a is equal to, what is the value of a? From the first part, minus 35 upon 3 plus n is 9 minus 1 and d value is given to us. D is equal to 5. So minus 35 upon 3 plus 8 5 ja 40. So A9 is equal to, when we take 3 LCM, minus 35 plus 120, and this value will be equal to 10 5 ja 5, 11 minus 3 is 85 divided by 3. So ninth term of an AP is equal to 85 divided by 3. Okay. So again, first sum is given to us. So we will use here sum of n terms of an AP, and next case we want to find out the value of A, and we can calculate this value with the help of this general term formula. Now next part is third question and seventh part. In this part again A value is given to us. A is equal to 8 and nth term value is equal to 62, and again sum of n terms of an AP is 210. So according to this general term formula, what is the value of general term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. Is A value given to us? Yes. And an is equal to 62. So 62 is equal to, and A is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d. When we take 8 to this side, 62 minus 8 is 54 is equal to n minus 1 into d. Okay. This is our first term. Now next one is from the second condition, Sn. What is the formula for Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, which value? Sn is equal to 210. This value is given to us. So 210 equal to n by 2. N is not given to us. We want to find out the value of n. So n by 2. 2a. A is equal to 8. 2 into 8 plus. Now from the first equation, if I observe, this value is our equation number first, n minus 1 into d. When we substitute equation 1 in this value, then we obtain, because here what is this term? N minus 1 into d, and in equation 1 also we have n minus 1 into d, and what is the value of this term? This term is equal to 54. So if we substitute here this value, then this will be equal to 54. 210 into 2 is equal to n into 2 8 ja 16 plus 54. 210 into 2 is equal to 16 plus 54 is 70, n into 70. So n will be equal to 210 into 2 divided by 70, and 7 3 are 21, and n is equal to 6. So what is the value of n? N is equal to 6. And when we put n is equal to 6 in this equation number 1, then we will obtain value of d. Now 54 is equal to, n is 6 minus 1 into d. 6 minus 1 is 5. So d is equal to 54 divided by 5. So this is the value of d. In this question we want to find out the value of d and n. So this is the solution.